Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our dear students of Advanced Montessori, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying Ramadan. On behalf of Multan Public School and College for Boys and Girls, we welcome all our learners to our online learning classes. I am your online teacher, Rabia Ayub, and I am here to teach you general knowledge. Okay, dear students, we will be learning two topics in general knowledge for this week. The first topic that we will be learning about are living and non-living things. The second topic we will be learning about myself. Okay, dear students, now you may take out your general knowledge book level 1, page number 9. As you can see on the screen, page number 9, the heading is living and non-living things. And we can see a list of living beings. Cat. Cat is a living being. Rat. Rat is also a living being. Man. Man is a living being. Dog. Dog is also a living being. Hen. Hen is a living being. Cop. What is a cop? A cop is a policeman. Since man is a living being, cop is also a living being. And the last picture is a ram, and ram is also a living being. Okay, dear students, now let us study the examples of living beings. The first example of living beings are humans. Who are humans? You, me, man, woman, boy, girl. We all are humans, and we all are living beings. So humans are living beings. Second example of living beings are plants. All the plants that we see around us, they are all living beings. The third example of living beings are animals. All the animals that we see around us, our pet animals, all the animals that live in the jungle are all living beings. So, what are the examples of living beings? Humans. Humans are living beings. Plants. Plants are also living beings. Animals. Animals are also living beings. Now, how are we going to know that we are living beings, or animals are living beings, or plants are living beings? How do we come to know? We have some characteristics. So now we are going to study the characteristics of living beings. The first characteristic about living beings is that they eat and drink. We all eat and drink. We eat food and we drink water, milk, juices, etc. Similarly, plants also eat and drink. And animals also eat and drink. The second characteristic of human beings is movement. We can move from one place to another. We all can walk and run about, and animals also can move about. So the second characteristic of living beings is movement. The third characteristic about living beings is that they grow. Growth. They grow. A baby grows into an adult. A kitten grows into a cat. A baby plant grows into a tree. So, growth is another characteristic of living beings. Okay, dear students, let us study some more characteristics about living beings. That is, characteristics tell us that we are living beings, are the features about us that tell us that we are living beings. Another characteristic of living beings is that they breathe. We all breathe. What is breathe? We take in air. And so do plants. Plants also breathe. And animals also breathe. They all take in air. Another characteristic of living beings is they are sensitive. For example, this plant is sensitive to touch. By the touch of this finger, the leaves of this plant, they close or they become small in size. So, this is another characteristic of living beings. They are sensitive. Now, another characteristic of living beings is that they have babies. Here you can see fish. Fish lays eggs and the egg is going to hatch into a small baby fish. Hen lays eggs and the eggs hatch into small chicks. Humans have babies. So, the characteristics of living beings is that we take in air, we breathe. Sensitive, have babies or lay eggs. Okay, dear students, that's all about living beings. Now we are going to study about non-living things. Page number 10 of General Knowledge Book 11.1. We have a list of non-living things. Hat. Hat is a non-living thing. Mat. Mat is a non-living thing. Fan. Fan is a non-living thing. This is a log. Log is a non-living thing. Pen. Pen is a non-living thing. Mop. Mop is a non-living thing. And the last picture is a picture of a dam. And dam is also a non-living thing. Now let us study some more examples of non-living thing. Table, basket, fan. Now, how do we know that these things are non-living things? We can say these things are non-living things because unlike human beings, they do not eat and drink. They cannot move about. They cannot grow. They cannot have babies. They cannot breathe, and they are not sensitive. For example, table. Have we ever seen a table eat or drink or move about or breathe or grow in size? No. Similarly, basket. Basket does not eat food. Basket cannot drink. Basket cannot move by itself. Basket cannot grow. Basket cannot breathe. And basket does not have babies or lay eggs. Similarly, fan. These features tell us that all these things are non-living things. Okay, dear students, now get ready for activity worksheet. Here we are on page number 11 of our book, and now since we have learned about living beings and non-living beings, you're going to have a look at these pictures and identify whether these are living and non-living. You're going to tick the living beings and cross out the non-living beings. For example, this cat. Do cats eat and drink? Yes. So cat is a living being. Cat drinks milk. So we are going to put tick next to the box over here. And what about hat? Does hat eat and drink? No, hat cannot eat and drink. So it is a non-living thing. Now we will put cross against the box over here. You're going to do the rest of the page by yourself. Okay, your homework is you will do activity worksheet page number 11. I have explained one example and the rest of the page you will do it for homework. Okay, dear students, that's all that we are learning about living and non-living. Now let us move on to our second topic, and our second topic is myself. We are going to learn about myself, and this is oral. We are going to orally learn about myself. You can all open page number 34 of General Knowledge book level 1. Now, when we learn about myself, we are going to talk about myself. That is, we are going to speak a few sentences about myself. You're going to introduce yourself. So how are you going to introduce yourself? What is the first thing you can say about yourself? Let's have a look. The first introduction that you can give about yourself is that if you are a boy, what you will say? I am a boy. And if you were a girl, you will say I am a girl. So, I am a boy and I am a girl is the first sentence that you're going to introduce when you speak about myself. Okay. Secondly, you will tell us about your name. My name is, if you are a boy, my name is Ali. If you are a girl, my name is Sarah, or whatever your name is. I am a boy, my name is Ali. I am a girl, my name is Sarah. Okay, what else can you say about yourself? You can say which class you study in. I study in Advanced Montessori Prep. I study in Advanced Montessori Prep. Okay, now next sentence you're going to speak about myself is how old are you? I am 5 years old. I am 5 years old. Okay, what else can you say about myself? We all go to school and how we all love our school. So you can say, I like my school. I like my school. And what else do you like? I like my teacher. I like my teacher. And you can speak about games. The games you like to play. I like to play football. Here boys are playing football. Or I like to play sack race. Or I simply like to play with balloon. I like to play cricket, football, skipping, etc. Okay, what do you like? What is your favorite food? I like to eat fruits, milk, egg. I like to eat fruits, milk and egg. Okay, and one more sentence you can speak about yourself is your favorite color. My favorite color is yellow. Or my favorite color is red. Okay, dear students, now there is activity for you. You're going to paste a picture of yourself on page number 34. And your homework is you're going to learn myself on page number 34 orally. Thank you so much. Okay, take care until we meet next week. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.